Welcome to this video where we will explore one of the most important and fascinating events in the history of the universe, the Big Bang. It suggests that the universe began as a hot, dense state and has been expanding since about 13.8 billion years. But how did the universe get to be the way it is today? Join us as we explore the origins of the universe and the science behind the Big Bang. The Big Bang is the theory that explains the origin of the universe and the beginning of time. In this video, we will discuss what the Big Bang theory is, how it was discovered, and what it means for our understanding of the universe. The Big Bang is the theory that the universe began as a single point or singularity, and has been expanding and cooling ever since. This expansion and cooling caused the formation of galaxies, stars, and eventually life on Earth. The Big Bang theory was first proposed in the early 20th century, but it wasn't until the 1960s that the discovery of cosmic microwave background radiation provided strong evidence to support the theory. The Big Bang theory also allows us to understand the fundamental building blocks of the universe. By studying the behavior of particles in the early universe, we can learn more about the nature of matter and the fundamental forces that govern the universe. One of the key pieces of evidence for the Big Bang is the cosmic microwave background radiation. The cosmic microwave background radiation is a remnant of the early universe. It's a faint glow of radiation that fills the entire sky and provides us with a snapshot of what the universe looked like when it was only 380,000 years old. In addition, the observed abundance of light elements in the universe, such as hydrogen and helium, also support the Big Bang theory. These elements were created in the first few minutes after the Big Bang, and their abundance matches the predictions of the theory. During the first few minutes after the Big Bang, the universe was hot enough for nuclear fusion to occur, creating the light elements like hydrogen and helium. One of the most significant predictions of the Big Bang theory is the expansion of the universe. The galaxies are moving away from each other, and the farther away a galaxy is, the faster it is moving. This is known as Hubble's law, named after the astronomer who discovered it. This expansion also means that the universe is getting larger and cooler over time. This cooling allowed the formation of stars and galaxies, and eventually planets and life. As the universe expanded and cooled, gravity caused the formation of structure. The first structures to form were the clusters of galaxies, which were created by the merging of smaller groups of galaxies. Within these clusters, stars and planets formed, and eventually life on Earth. The formation of structure in the universe is an ongoing process, with new galaxies and stars still being formed today. The expansion of the universe will continue, and eventually all the galaxies will be moving away from each other faster than the speed of light. This means that we will not be able to see beyond our own galaxy. In addition, as the universe continues to expand and cool, the stars will eventually run out of fuel, and the universe will become dark and cold. This is known as the heat death of the universe. The Big Bang is the theory that explains the origin of the universe and the beginning of time. The evidence for the Big Bang is strong, and it has provided us with a deeper understanding of the structure and history of the universe. The future of the universe is still uncertain, but the study of the Big Bang and its consequences will continue to be an important area of research in astronomy and physics. Thanks for joining us on this episode of Explorexia. We hope you enjoyed exploring the unknown with us. If you did, be sure to subscribe to our channel for new and exciting content.